Hello friends, welcome to With My Plant. Today we are going to understand about plastid and also structure of chloroplast. Okay, this is coming under the series of cell and tissue. Let's start the class. Plastid are organelle characterized by double membrane structure predominantly present in plants and algal cells as well, and their primary function is to function include the synthesis and storage of foods. Plastids are commonly house of pigments crucial for photosynthesis as well as essential for colored plant parts. So if we see the definition, there are three to four important points. One is it is a cell organelle having double membrane. Third is its function. Having photosynthesis pigments and also pigments for colored plant parts. Okay. Next, plastid exhibit diverse function, and as per the function, they can be classified in three categories mainly. One is the chloroplast, second is chromoplast, and third is leucoplast. But in many books, you can find gerontoplast, etioplast, and proplastid as well. So let's understand what is chloroplast. It is responsible for photosynthesis containing chlorophyll pigments that capture light energy. If we see chromoplast, it is specialized pigment for storage, contributing vibrant color to various plant parts such as your leaves, fruits, and flowers. Leucoplasts are basically not having any pigments, and they are involved in storing of nutrient and other precursor material. And it is gerontoplast. If we see, these are basically part of aged cells and facilitating the breakdown of cellular components. Etioplasts are one form of chloroplast. When a seedling is placed dark in dark room, this etioplast is formed, and when it is placed from dark to light, again chloroplast is formed. Next is the proplastid. This is basically the precursor for plastid. So chloroplast exhibit a convex shape and semi-porous and double membrane organelle situated within the mesophyll cell. This is very important. It is present in mesophyll cell. They play crucial role in synthesizing carbohydrate through the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Chromoplast functioning as specialized region for the pigment of storage and synthesis in plants, and chromoplasts are commonly found in flowering plants, aging leaves, and fruits. They originate from transformation of this chloroplast and contain, this is very important, carotenoid pigments contributing to the diverse colors seen in the leaves and fruits. Vibrant hues serve the primary purpose attracting the insects and pollinators. Now, leucoplasts are non-pigmented, colorless organelles prevalent in non-photosynthetic plant parts such as roots, Okay, they act as a storage site for starch, lipid, and protein. And as per the storage molecules, they can be classified as amyloplast, proteoplast, proteinoplast, and elioplast. Okay, amyloplast is storing your carbohydrate, starch. A proteinoplast is storing proteins and typically found in seeds. Elioplast is basically storing fats and oils for plant needs. Okay, so there are three type of leucoplast. Okay, proteinoplast is also known as eleuroplast, and elioplast is also known as oleoplast. Okay, inheritance of plastid. Plastid's inheritance varies among the plant species. Angiosperm inherits plastid from female gamete. This is very important, female gamete, while many gymnosperm receive plastid from male pollen. Algae, on the other hand, inherit plastid from single parent, and plastid DNA inheritance appears to be predominantly uniparental with some complexity in hybridization scenario. Okay, so basically in the crop plants, it is from female parents. Now coming to the structure of chloroplast, if we see the structure of chloroplast, it is a green colored plastid. Okay, and it is flat and disc shaped and structure. The dimension is 2 to 10 micrometer in diameter and 1 micrometer in thickness. And membrane, if we see, it is bilayer membrane or two membranes, outer and inner. Both are made up of your phospholipid layer. The outer membrane allows the movement of ions and metabolites, whereas inner membrane is specialized for transport of proteins. Okay, and separated by 10 to 20 nanometer gap, the intermembrane space exists between these membranes. Okay, each chloroplast consists of distinct region called as stroma and grana. Stroma is basically a fluid inside the chloroplast. Okay, and stroma contains interconnecting flattened membrane compartments known as stroma lamella, and it serves as the site for dark reaction in the photosynthesis and converting light energy into chemical energy. Now grana are basically stuck or a stuck portion of membrane bounded flattened disc within the chloroplast. Each disc in this grana is called as thylakoid, and the space within it is the thylakoid space called as lumen. Granum is the site for very important light reaction during the photosynthesis, when light energy transform into chemical energy. Now let's understand whole this structure in a diagram. Okay, so as we studied, this chloroplast is a bilayer membrane. One is your outer membrane, another is your inner membrane, and in between these two membranes, this is intermembranal space, and this is basically 10 to 20 nanometer. Okay, if we see the thickness of the chloroplast, it is basically 2 to 10 micrometer, and the diameter is basically 1 to 2, sorry, the thickness is basically 1 to 2 nanometer, and the diameter is basically 1 to 10 micrometer. Okay, and if we see inside the inner membrane, this liquid space or the liquid existing in the space is called as your stroma, aqueous fluid. Okay, and these kind of structure, these piles of coins are basically the grana. Singular it is granum, and plural it is called as grana. Okay, each stuck in the grana is called as thylakoid. This single piece of stalk is called as thylakoid, and these thylakoids are interconnected through a membrane like structure called as stroma lamella, and inside the thylakoids space is there, that is called as your lumen. I think you people understand the structure of chloroplast. I hope you liked this class. If you like this, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.